That's
So
the
what
one
do
single
first-time
reason.
MPs think? Because we have two first-time MPs on the show as well. So let me bring them as well. Shambhavi, first-time MP from my home state of Bihar, LJP. You represent. You're also one of the youngest. Many want to understand from you, how do you look at this mandate? One sense is that mandate is not being respected by the treasury benches. There is another view that the opposition is having my way or the highway kind of approach. So help us understand, how do you look at this mandate?
So I really don't think that this has been a my way approach of the Treasury bench. What happened today is sad, and as a first timer MP, I feel that we lost on a lot of time. There could have been a fruitful discussion, and we could have addressed the opposition's need in a more structured manner, but it did not happen. And after repeated the suggestions of the Honorable Speaker were that in the motion of thanks to the President of India, you can address your concerns, you can voice your opinions, but they were just not ready to listen, and there was a lot of chaos and drama, and then the motion was adjourned. So as a first timer MP, also as somebody who's representing an important constituency in the parliament, I feel that we did lose on a lot of time, and we could have utilized the entire day to have a better fruitful discussion.
Yes, so as a first time MP, you had your concerns and you would have wanted to raise the concerns of your people that you represent. But who really behaved in a high-handed manner? Opposition is blaming the treasury benches, and the treasury benches are blaming the opposition.
So definitely it's the opposition, because I think by precedent also, the first thing that is addressed after President's speech in the Parliament, after President's address in the Parliament, is a motion of thanks. That has been, that is the precedent, and that is what has been going on since all of the sessions. And this is the first time that something else was, the opposition was trying to address something else. They were trying to raise another issue, and the Honorable Speaker repeatedly kept on saying that in the motion of thanks you can address those issues, but let the motion of thanks pass. But I think there was a lot of chaos, and
okay, Shambhavi, are you disappointed as a first time MP? I'm sure you would have heard and read about the traditions followed in the parliament, where it was about bonhomie, and you heard what Sushmita Dev said here right now, that there used to be that kind of camaraderie which we are not witnessing. It's a completely different parliament now.
Correct, and I feel I definitely am really disappointed. I am sad that we did not go as per it was expected to, and I think we've lost on a time. Although already there are so many, there are not so many working days in the parliament. You only get a limited time, and you're here for a limited time to represent your constituency. And in that limited time also, the sessions are being adjourned. There's a lot of chaos. There's no fruitful debate. There's no fruitful discussion. We are all here. The opposition on the first day said that they are here. They want the treasury bench to respect the opposition. They want to have a fruitful debate. They want to address their concerns as well. But what we are seeing, what we saw today, definitely this is not what is happening. Neither the government nor the opposition is being able to raise their concerns. Neither are they being able to talk about their opinions. So I think as an MP, I feel that it's really disappointing, and we should, we are representatives of the people. We are here for a purpose. Our purpose is to represent our people. Our purpose is to be the voice of the nation. This voice is getting hampered. We are not being able to raise issues that are important to us, that are important to the people of our state, that are important to the people of our constituency. And definitely it is disappointing for MPs also, and for the nation.